Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize gestures on your headphones 1More. You have to start by opening the application and now go to custom settings right here. Now we can only customize double press and triple press, and we have like presets here. So click on the double press, and as you can see right here we have all presets. So for the double press I prefer to play previous and next track, and for the triple press it's the same as double press, so I'm going with volume down, volume up, and that's it. But you can of course change it by the best one for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!